Alright, let's talk about function notation. So, function notation is this f of x here that says a function of x. It's really shorthand form of that. So it's going to give you a problem here with an x in it, and then often they just say something like find f of -3. So what they're telling you is what to plug in for your x. So you're going to say -3 minus 2 squared. You're going to use PEMDAS at this point. So -3 minus 2 is -5. And then square that means -5 times -5, which is positive 25. Now be careful because some of us like to go to this calculator here, handy dandy calc, but then we enter it incorrectly. We say -5 squared. That's not what ours looks like. It's not going to give you the same answer that we know it is. So make sure if you're going to do this that you put in parentheses just like they're supposed to be. Alright, one more problem in this. So it says find the range. That means find the y values. So that's our g of x when given our domain, our x values of -4, -2, 0, and 5. So I need you to do 4 values for me real quick. You're going to plug in -4 squared plus 1. You're going to plug in -2 squared plus 1. Notice what we're doing. First one went in to this x. Second one went into this x. That's where I got this. Then I'm going to do the next one, 0 squared plus 1 and 5 squared plus 1. Now something that I switch up that you might be wondering about, if it's a negative, it needs those parentheses to contain that negative. If it's positive, you don't have to worry about putting parentheses. So I've got 16 plus 1, that's 17. I've got 4 plus 1, that is 5. I've got 0 plus 1, which is 1. And I've got 25 plus 1, that's 26. Again, if you're going to stick this in your calculator, and sometimes you will, just be careful. Make sure you put those parentheses around those negatives before you square them so that you get the correct answers.